rosy cheeks, and a pair of twinkling eyes. I remember somebody says that I look like my mama, but that was when she was so young. Now I am much lovelier than she is. I'm a more Venus. Oops! What time's it? I must get ready for the party now. Wow! I will be the star of the night again. Beep beep. Ah! Who? Here they are. Yes, I'm coming. Troll or still there? That's my mama. Troll are still there. Will you please try to get me a glass of cold water? Mama, I'm in a hurry. Please, child, try to get me a glass of cold water. Mama, please try to get it by yourself. Please, child, try to get me a glass of cold water. At the party, I dance and dance the whole night. You see, I cannot live at once. I have to dance with everybody who proposed to me. At last, the party's over. I'm tired, very, very tired. So, I went home to tell Mama what happened. Mama, I'm home. It's very quiet. Mama, I'm home. Nobody answers. Where is she? I look for her in the sala, but she's not there. I look for her in her room, but she's not there. Where is she?